Hello everyone, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of a Chinese fried rice. This is a quick rice dish which can be prepared from leftover rice. Moms can push in some nutritious veggies and yet this can be a tempting lunchbox recipes for the kids. This fried rice can be paired with Szechuan or Manchurian gravies to make a perfect Sunday meal. Let's see what all ingredients we need to make this yummy stir-fry Chinese fried rice in Su's Food Corner style. These are the ingredients required for these recipes. Boiled rice 2 cups, chopped mushroom half cup, chopped carrots 1/4 cup, green peas 1/4 cup, corn 1/4 cup, cauliflower chopped half cup, onions 1 medium onion chopped, olives 5 to 6, this is totally optional, crushed red chilies 1/3 tablespoon, chopped garlic 10 to 12, green chilies 3 to 4, ginger 1 inch, black pepper powder 1/3 teaspoon, oil 3 to 4 tablespoon, soya sauce 1 to 2 teaspoon, and salt as per taste. So let's start with the process of making fried rice. Turn on the flame, place a pan and let it heat properly on high flame. Add oil. I have also added butter here, it's totally optional. Add green chilies, ginger and garlic. Fry for 1 minute in medium flame. After 1 minute, add onions and fry for 1 minute. We want the onions to get a slight golden color. After 1 minute, add cauliflower half cup, carrots, 1 small teaspoon salt so that the cooking process fastens. Make a nice stir. And cover the pan for 30 seconds so that the veggies soften. After 30 seconds, open the lid and give it a nice stir. You would see the veggies have softened. At this stage, add mushroom, corn, peas and mix well. These are the vegetables that need less cooking time. Lastly, add olives. As I said earlier, this is totally optional. After adding the vegetables, mix well. Keep the flame in medium high. After 1 minute, add boiled rice. For seasoning, we'll add 1 tablespoon soya sauce, black pepper powder, salt, red chili flakes. Do remember we have already added soya sauce, so adjust according to your taste the amount of salt, as soya sauce is already salty. After seasoning, mix all the ingredients on medium flame and cover the pan for 1 minute to mix all the flavors in the rice. After 1 minute, open the pan, toss the pan, and we are ready to serve our vegetable mixed fried rice. This recipe can also be a delicious kids lunchbox recipe. Do try this recipe at home and give me your feedbacks. Stay tuned to Su's Food Corner. Do subscribe my page and don't forget to click the bell icon. Until then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.